So we had some nice days, and we're back working at Zehr Estate on the bungalow. And what we're doing, here's the door as it is right now. And then here's what we're starting to do. So we're starting to bring it out. And we already did these two windows with the design. You can see that one over there. So this is where that aluminum siding is, which is over top of the wood. We decided not to take the aluminum off and go down to the wood. We decided to leave it. So we're bringing the windows out, getting the design on them. I cut a bunch more pieces. We'll have enough to go around the door. And then we have two windows on the other side. So we're getting ready to prime. I have to put some screws in up here to hold this. You can see where the nail fell out. And I noticed over there was a nail coming out, so I'm going to put screws in. Then I need to trim that bush, and then we're pretty much ready to side. I've already done a bunch of caulking, and I'll caulk as I notice any other spots. Sometimes where they come together, there's a gap in there. I know it's for probably expansion, but it's a bad place for collecting the paint and then running back and getting nice drop. Now I don't like the looks of this right here, so I'm going to bring some aluminum down and do that. And also I want to run some caulking along that edge all the way. Now we have electric over there, so there's not much I can do there. We'll just have to paint over that electric line for the outdoor light, which is handy, I have to admit. So we'll keep that in play. Okay, let's get back to work.